Good morning. Hello. I'm just here to do a flip through of the little envelope folio that the tutorial was up this weekend, and I've got a few other things that I've finished making, so it's a bit of an Etsy restock as well. After I've put these in today in the Etsy shop, it'll probably be quite a few weeks then until anything else goes in the shop, because I'll be back at work Wednesday and I've got nothing else that's anywhere near kind of finishing off everything else. Is quite a big project, so yeah, this will be the last Etsy flip through for a while. So this is the folio that we've made this weekend, and I've used the lovely papers from Tina at Shabby Dabby Doodah, and it's called Brown Birds, Butterflies and Bees. So we've just got this, it's like a ginger crinkled seam binding. Just done a little cluster here with some burlap, some tissue, some of the I think you call it spider web deco, and then a little stamp from the kit. And then we've got a little postcard pocket there with a tag on, and I stuck that butterfly on. I think it went quite well. I had to think then, was that part of the paper or did I stick it on? So that's that, and just got a bit of this left, so I thought I'd pop that on there. So it opens up. I've got this, oh, it opens up here. See, I forgot what I've done. We've got another postcard there and a bigger tag, and that's the back. And stuck this butterfly here. We've just got a little library card, and then we've got the pocket of the envelope here, and I think I put a few cards in here. Yeah, I've put four cards. They're all from the kit. So that's that side, and I thought it was a really good little folio to do. Like it did only take 2 hours and it only used 3 pieces of kit paper, so yeah, ideal for last bits of kits. So I've just got 4 little ones there. I think they're from the normal journal cards, and then I printed them 2 to a page if I remember right. And then got some little stamps there. Just got a little notebook there. I'm guessing there's 10 pages in, so that'll be 40 sides. Got this side pocket here. Must have just ripped that. I like that. Must do those rip pockets more often, because I do really like them. This obviously looks perfect piece to have done it on. And then we've got a tag here, and I think that's it. I don't know if there's anything at the back. No, nothing at the back. So that's that one. Like I say, I hope you enjoyed it, and yeah, if you've planning to make one, or you made one with me, you'll have to let me know what papers you've done yours in, or what colour. So that's that one. And then when I made that, I thought I'm going to make another one while it was still fresh in my mind. So I did this one with Artie Mae's kit. I feel like this is one of her collage sets. It's not from the new purple one, because I don't have that kit. So yeah, I feel like it's from one of her collage kits. So we've got this lovely purple seam binding. Well, it's pale purple. Got beautiful iris there, and this seems to want to open this side. So that's from a card topper set. I used that in the iris kit that I used from After Midnight Designs, and we've got a little tag there. I think Violet sent me that one. That's beautiful. And I think that's a My Porch Prints. So I don't think this kit had, I think it just had a few journal cards, and that was about it. So I've just left the journal cards double and sewn around them. I was going to make them into little notebooks, and then I thought, no, it's going to be too bulky for in here. So they're just double journal spots. And then we've got this side tuck here. I just made that out of the paper, and again, that's from My Porch Prints. I'm going to turn it over. Got a little belly band here with a couple of journal cards, again from My Porch Prints. And got some pages, again there'll be 40 sides in there, and we've got this side tuck here with a journal card. So that's that one, and that's another kit, totally finished off. So I have now finished all the lilac and purple things. I have got a folder what's full of brown papers. I think they're all from Victoria Designs. So when I get a chance, I will start doing something with that. But I want to do one of those envelope flippy flappy folios. So that's that one. And then I did another one of those sets what I did last week, but this was the pink Prima paper. I think this is called Love Story. This was the only piece that I'd got left. I think I have got two like inspiration kits in the shop with this paper in it. So we've got a window envelope. I've just put some pearl trim and some lace and a little bow and sewed around it. And then we've just got a journal card there, just from the papers. And so I haven't really decorated them because I don't think they need them. I think a bit of lace and a bit of pearls, and that's all you need. So that's that. And then we've got one of those sack flip up pocket things. So again, I've just put some pearl trim and some crocheted lace and a bow. And we've got the little tab there. Got a pocket, two tags, and then we've got the journal card in the back, and everything's been sewn around. And I think I've backed everything. I think it's with that blush coloured card that I've got. So that's that one. So it's quite nice to work with a little bit of pink because I don't normally. And then I've done, this was just some stuff left from a kit from Tina Shabby Dabby Doodah. I forget what it's called, Lavender Valley. So we've just literally got a plain notebook that'll have 40 sides in. I've just sewn around it, and it's just, yeah, just a plain notebook. And then I've done a small notebook. I think there's probably, I don't think there's 10 in here. I think there's 8, so that'll be 32 sides. I love this sheet in the kit. It's very nice. I've just shrunk that down so it was 2 to a page. And then all the leftovers that I'd got left from the kit, I've just put a pocket here, which is from My Porch Prints, and I've just put the rest of the kit from Tina in the pocket, so the little journals can be decorated. And here we've got a little file folder, and that's full of kit stuff what's left over. And then in the back again, I've got the My Porch Prints guest check, and then lots of little bits and bobs. So that's finished all that kit, and they've all been sewn around. So that's that. And then I actually made these covers last year, and it was following Andrea at Artimaze. So I did decoupage and stamping and gesso and all lovely things, and then I just put them to one side and forgot about them. So they're both obviously window envelopes. This is the like the A4 type size. So I've got this beautiful lace here. This is from Splatter Inky. It's the most beautiful purple colour, and then I've just got it tied with some sari, which I imagine's from Splatter Inky. And it's just really simple. Again, it's just using up everything that I had. So that's the papers. Just put window envelope here. Again, it's same as the envelope. A card, what's been sewn around. These are left over from Nanine's kit, which is I think it's the rustic lavender. Got a pocket here with a sewn tag, like so. And then at the back I've just made a big pocket, got a little notebook with a vellum cover. Then we've got a little envelope thing there with a tag in. So that's that one. I must have another go at doing these backgrounds. Laurie was kind enough to remind me what order to do this kind of effect, because like I said, I've done it a year ago and totally forgot. Oh, there's a big journal card in the front as well. Forgot all about that. So we've got a massive card there, which is obviously the window part, so that goes in there. So that's that one. And the last one, yeah, I was going to save the blankets for like more autumn, and then I thought no, I'm going to use them. So yeah, I'm still going to keep on finishing kits off. So we've just got a smaller version, this beautiful trim again. This hasn't got a pocket at the front, but I've put this piece of vellum from Nanine's kit, which you can see through the window. This sounds so nice when you open it. I love it. So yeah, I've just collaged the front. Again, it's just got different tea stained papers. That one's got a lace imprint, and these ones are quite pale, so I've just mixed it up. And then at the back we've got this side tuck, and again we've got a little notebook, and then the pocket with the tie. So that is that one. Oh, and we've got a pocket at the back, and that was decoupaged on book page. Oh, I can't get it in now. Oh, I can. Nothing's stuck, look, this week. I was very careful this week and made sure that I didn't put things in till they was totally dry. So that is what I've got to offer this week. Like I say, I'll get them in through the day today, and then yeah, to be a good few weeks before anything else goes in. I'm working on a bit of a custom order at the minute, which I'm just going to dip in and out of while I'm back at work. So if I go quiet, I've got plenty of videos going on. There'll still be videos, but yeah, if I go quiet in the comments and things, you'll know that I'm just busy getting back to normal life. We're working and, you know, trying to rejuggle and get into a new routine, and, you know, fitting YouTube and the Etsy shops in and stuff. So I'm guessing it's going to take me a few weeks to get in the swing of things. So I hope everybody's well, and I shall speak to you very soon. Bye for now.